Hi, hello everyone. This is Kameshwari Math Tutor. Welcome back to our channel. This is the linear equation chapter. This chapter is very important for 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10 children. Also very important. Why? That will be a part of the solution in the higher sections. All of you understood? So solving the equation is very, very important. What is a linear equation? If the given equation, see here, I am writing the given equation 5p is equal to 22. What is the exponent? Here what is the variable? For p is the variable. If the power of the variable or exponent of the variable is 1, exponent is power. What is the power of p here? P to the power of 1 only, nothing is there, means we must think it as 1. So, what is the power of p? 1 only. So, this is called the linear equation. Linear equation means it should have the power of the variable must be 1. All of you understood? This is the linear equation in one variable. Okay. Now, I will explain you how to solve the given question. Solving means finding the variable value. Solving means finding the variable value. All of you understood? Here what is the variable? P is the variable. You must find out the P value. Okay. This is the first question. If you want P value, see here, 5P after what is there? 7 is there. I am sending this 7 to right side. Right side of equality symbol. If I send to right side, it becomes minus 7. What is the additive inverse of plus 7? Minus 7. Two methods are there, ma. First writing the additive inverse. Two methods I tell now. Later you can follow any method. Okay. Now, I want to remove this plus 7. What is the additive inverse of plus 7? Minus 7. Both sides I am writing minus 7. 5p plus 7. Why? Because additive inverse of plus 7 is minus 7. Adding minus 7 on both sides. So, what is the equation? 5p plus 7. Both sides are adding minus 7. 22 minus 7. Why I am doing writing minus 7? Why? Because I want p value. I am removing one by one. Okay, so that only p will be there. Okay, so plus 7 minus 7 will be cancelled. Why? Plus 7 minus 7 value is how much? 0. Plus 1 minus 1 0. Plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Same numbers, opposite sign value will become 0. Instead of writing 0, we can cancel like this. All of you understood? So, 5p is equal to 22 minus 7 is how much, ma? Say, 22 minus 7 is how much? 15. 15. Okay. Now, 5p means 5 times p. 5p means 5 times. Here multiplication is there. So, to remove this 5, I want p value, no? That's why I want to remove this 5. What is the multiplicative inverse of 5? Multiplicative inverse of 5 is 1 by 5. So, I am multiplying both sides 1 by 5. All of you understood, ma? 5p multiplying with 1 by 5 on both sides. Additive inverse of plus 1 is minus 1. See here, 5p I am multiplying with 1 by 5. Why I am multiplying here? I wrote minus 5, no ma. You can have doubt. Here you wrote minus 7 on both sides. Why can't you write minus 1 by 7? No, we should not write here. Why? Because 5p means 5 times p. 5 into p. So we must write only multiplicative inverse. Here plus 7. Symbol plus is there. In between plus is there. So, you must write additive inverse only here. Understood, ma? So, right side also 15 into 1 by 5. All of you understood? 5 ones, 5 ones. 5 ones, 5 threes. Okay. P into 1 is P only. Denominator 1 no need to write. 3 into 1 is 3. By 1 no need to write. This is the value of P. Like this we must write step by step. We must solve the given question step by step. Very easy, children. This is the basic method, easiest method. After practicing this method, we can do another method. In this session, we will do this method only. Okay? Next question. What is the next question? Second question is y by 2 minus 1 is equal to 5. Okay. I want y value. Solving this y. First we will remove minus 1. Later we will think about 2. Okay. Y. Minus 1 is there. I told that between any symbol is there means you must find out additive inverse. So what is the additive inverse of minus 1? Plus 1 is the additive inverse. So I am adding both sides plus 1. Adding plus 1 on both sides. Why? Because why I am adding plus 1? Additive inverse of minus 1 is plus 1. That's why I am adding plus 1. So y by 2 minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 1. All of you understood now? Why I am adding like this? I want to remove the minus 1. That's why. See here, minus 1 and plus 1 will become 0. So here this is not there. Y by 2 is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay. Now I want value y only. In the denominator 2 is there, not into 2. This is, you can write y by 2 as y into 1 by 2, not into 2. If you write into 2 means 2y it becomes. It is not 2y, y by 2. So numerator 1 only will be there. Y into 1 by 2 is equal to 6. Now I want to remove 1 by 2. So here multiplication is there. Multiplication is there means I told to write multiplicative inverse, not additive inverse. What is the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 2? 2 by 1. So both sides are multiplying 2 by 1 or 2 only. Multiplying with 2 on both sides. Why I am multiplying? Why? Because I need to remove this 1 by 2. Y into 1 by 2, same I am writing with 2 on both sides I told. Into 2 is equal to 6 into 2. Both sides I am writing. 2 ones, 2 ones. Here no cancellation. Y into 1 is y. Denominator 1 no need to write. Y is equal to 6 to 12. That's all. Very easily we are getting answers now. So what is the value of y? Y is equal to 12. This is the value. Like this we must find out. Ma, is this very easy? Yes, this is very easy method, ma. Okay. But after practicing all this type of questions, you need to skip all these steps. We will do another method directly. I will explain you that method also. In this exercise, in this session, I will explain this method only. Okay, ma? Next question. What is the next question? 3 by 4 cube is equal to 9. Very easy this also. I want only q value. I don't want 3 by 4. In the previous question, in between plus or minus is there. Here plus or minus is not there. So what will be there? Into 3 by 4 times q into q. So 3 by 4. You must find out the multiplicative inverse of 3 by 4. I want to remove this 3 by 4. No, that's fine. What is the multiplicative inverse of 3 by 4? 4 by 3. So multiplying with 4 by 3 on both sides. Okay. So 3 by 4 cube into 4 by 3 is equal to 9 into 4 by 3. I told 4 by 3 on both sides. Both sides means is equal to left side, is equal to right side also. Okay. 3 ones, 3 ones. This 4 also. 4 ones, 4 ones. Okay. Here also. 3 ones, 3 threes. Any cancellation? No. Q only is left. Q by 1. Q into 1 is Q only. By 1 no need to write. So Q is equal to 3 into 4. By 1 no need to write. So Q is equal to 3 4 12. Very easy. Okay, like this we must multiply. We must find out the Q value. Here variable is Q. Okay. What is the next question? Fourth one. 3x plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay. 3x plus 1 is equal to 5. See here children, here variable means here it is there. Later we can remove 3. First we want to remove plus 1. What is the additive inverse of plus 1? Minus 1. Adding minus 1 on both sides. Adding minus 1 on both sides. So 3x plus 1 left side minus 1 is equal to 5 minus 1. Both sides means we must write on both sides. If you write on one side only, the answer becomes wrong. Okay, you should balance both sides. Plus 1 minus 1 becomes 0. 3x equal to 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, now x value. We want x value, but here 3 is there still. This is 3 times x. That means 3 into x. What is the multiplicative inverse of 3? 1 by 3. I am multiplying both sides. Multiplying 1 by 3 on both sides. Okay, both sides of the equation. 3x into 1 by 3 equal to 4 into 1 by 3. 3 ones, 3 ones. Is there anything? No. X into 1 is x. 4 into 1 is 4 by 3. So, x equal to 4 by 3. Very easy, ma. Like this, we must find out the value of the given variable. I hope you understood well. Okay. I'll give one question, you work out separately. What is the question is 2x minus 10 equal to 14. Work out this by your own and comment me in the comment box what answer you got. What is the variable, what is the value of x. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.